It's the last day of the practice course here at Roboboat 6. Things are really starting to heat up out there, so I've called in some reinforcements.
Hey guys, I'm Dailey. I'm a mechanical engineer for the Naval Research Laboratory, and I work in the vehicle research section. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you.
It's great to have you here, Christine. Here at Roboboat, the technical challenges to be overcome in designing a robotic boat to autonomously negotiate the course are tremendous.
But there's more to robotics and systems engineering than just solving technical problems.
It's also crucial to be able to communicate those solutions to others, so they can appreciate and learn from your hard work.
Roboboat teams hone their documentation and presentation skills through a process called static judging.
Let's go and take a closer look about what's involved in impressing the judges. So you've just come out of static judging. What's the static judging process all about from your perspective?
Well, the static judging process is really to get a feel for all the effort and ideas that have been put into each of these platforms. It's really our opportunity to quiz the students as to what their thought process was.
And why did they make these design decisions? What problems did they face? What's their plan to attack the challenges? You know, sometimes robots don't always perform the best, but we still like to see what work that gets put into them leading up to the challenge.
Engineers have great ideas, but eventually, if they want anybody else to know about it, they have to write something or they have to present it orally. And so we sit through these PowerPoint presentations to encourage the students to develop those sorts of skills that will help them be more successful in the future.
What are some things that the teams can do to particularly impress you? And no mention of a $20 bill in the paper.
I like to see the reasoning behind their choices. I'm going to ask them the tough questions. Why did you choose A instead of B? And I want to see that they thought about that. They didn't just, hey, let's use this. But no, we actually put some thought behind it. We tested this, and the system seems to work better.
They have to look good. They have to look confident. They have to be very careful that they don't say too often, which sometimes I tend to do. Don't we all do it? Right.
One of the first signs I'm looking for about the boat itself, does it look neat? Because that usually means that we're organised and that we're really thinking about how to put the boat together. One of the teams that actually went and took apart a robot vacuum cleaner and used the LiDAR from it. I found that to be very creative. That's part of creativity. Other teams have taken infrared out of components and made use of it and not purchased things that are intended to be off a shelf. Have actually gone and taken things apart to save them costs. So I find those very creative and very interesting approaches.
So what's your strategy going into static judging?
Well, we're going to go in there pretty confident. We've proven ourselves already on the water. This morning we went through the channels. So we're in high spirits right now. And we practiced last night for about 3 hours. We were quizzing each other on possible questions. We're as ready as we're ever going to get.
There are significant amounts of points up for grabs in the static judging process. In a tight competition, it can easily make the difference between a good performance and top honors.
And good presentation abilities will serve students well no matter what specialties they wind up in.
But now that the teams have performed in front of the judges, it's time for the robots to perform on the qualifying course.
Check back soon to find out who topped the leaderboard and secured a guaranteed spot in the finals. You'll see every exciting moment right here at robonation.org.